guys, what's up? It's Carl here, back with another episode, and we've got something very special today. I think I say that every video, but this has been coming to this studio probably for the past 4-5 years. And I know last year I mentioned I was going to build a gaming rig. I promise, I will get to it. It's my New Year's resolution this year. I think that stretched all the way back to my OG studio. I said I would get a gaming PC. That has just never happened until this point. A lot of this has come down to the isolation / social distancing. I've been playing a ton more Call of Duty, and I thought what better way to spend all of that time than to kind of share it with you guys. So A, I've created my very own Twitch channel. I should technically, knock on wood, be streaming every single week. And B, I was playing over on my Xbox, so that couldn't really handle any streams. That's the reason why we've got this. Oh, so heavy. So I just want to give a huge shout out to a fellow YouTuber also from Toronto, Matt Moniz, hooked me up with my very first gaming PC. It's kind of the gateway drug into the world of PC Master Race. I'll share with you what's inside. We'll unscrew these. So he's provided this very first starter kit, and I know it's not the top of the line specs, but for just starting out, it should be totally fine for all the stuff I need. So inside you see we have a GTX 1070. We've also got a Ryzen 1700X, 16 gigs of RAM, and my only task was to install a hard drive. So I grabbed a 1TB SSD, had to end up FaceTiming Matt for some help, but everything is fully installed. And if you've kind of watched this channel, you know that I'm mainly a Mac user. I'm kind of team Apple. One quick gather around the studio, I've managed to collect 4 MacBook / MacBook Pro, so obviously it's a very weird addiction, but I know there are a ton of benefits switching over to PC. Now is finally the time I can say I'm making the switch. I know there's some pretty cool things you can do with PC builds. I've seen all of them online. Some of them look pretty intense. I probably will end up getting some orange LED lighting, maybe a new case once that addiction kind of kicks in. So if you have any suggestions, let me know down below on how I can improve this. This might just end up being my streaming PC as I build a new dedicated gaming rig. But step 1, step 2, of course, is to get into the nitty gritty and all the cool stuff. So let's get this guy booted up in my setup area, which is behind you guys. We'll run some COD and see how this puppy performs for the first time. Okay, so a bit of movie magic. We've set up the PC in the corner here. We've installed Call of Duty. I didn't want you guys to watch any of that. So to go through the entire setup of what is involved here, of course, we've got the PC as the main thing. The monitor is the second piece, which probably is the first item that needs an upgrade. It's my 4K LG monitor. Unfortunately, it's only capped at 60 Hertz, and obviously the next progression is 144, or if you want to go true baller, 240 Hertz. So that's the first upgrade in the deck. The second piece, which helps me record the gameplay, is of course the audio, and I've kind of built the rest of this setup around some stuff that I have lying around in the studio. So we have a Blue Yeti microphone. I'd say it's one of the best value microphones that you can buy. I think they're around 50 bucks, and I've got that set up to my old mic stand. And since I am switching to PC, I am keeping true to my controller life because I am coming from Team Xbox. I'm still gonna be rocking all of my gameplay through my Xbox controller. I don't get any of the benefits of a mouse and keyboard, but I still grab some of the aim assist, and I know that haters say it's too much, but that is my choice of poison. For my headphones, I'm actually just gonna be rocking my Surface 2 headphones. These will go straight from, obviously, my head to the controller. That's where I hear all of my sound. Obviously, we have none of the speakers coming from the PC. I've also managed to bring over my Logitech G910 keyboard. Won't really be using it, but it works for the PC, and I've got the MX Master 3 mouse. Funnily enough, this PC didn't have a Wi-Fi card, something that I didn't think was possible, but thankfully my Google Wi-Fi does have a hardwired connection, so that was a minor disaster averted. Let's hop into some gameplay now. It'll be my first game recorded on my PC, and let me know what the quality is like, and hopefully we can start streaming soon as well. Okay, so we're live. Trying this out for the first time in Call of Duty. Clearly don't have, any of my characters unlocked or any of the good guns. Playing with my buddy, Caton. Bits. What's up?
What's up?
What's up? All right, brother, where are we dropping?
Apartments?
Let's do it. If we could get a win on my first game recording, that would be pretty epic. No pressure. No pressure. And also,
playing
like,
with the wrong guy.
Royale. Primary objective is to kill them all.
oh, shotgun.
One bottom floor.
Yeah,
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
coming in here. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, they're up there. Missed every shot. Classic. Moving.
Oh, someone's getting shot at. From gun station.
Yeah. Oh! Didn't even see that guy there. That's
Hit him
embarrassing.
once.
Oh!
Where is he?
Almost dead. He's on the roof of gun shop.
He just bought his buddy back or something.
Oh, he's here! Oh, he's inside that little cubby there.
Oh no!
I don't think I'm going to use this as my footage.
Yourself
Like, I literally walked right past him.
sort them out or catch them.
Alright.
They're gonna be out front now, I think, to the south here.
16. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Man,
wow.
got him. Need any plates?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, here.
Thank you.
Hear it.
Oh, they
Oh,
just
yeah,
got a
right
load
there.
right there. Yeah.
Enemy UAV
Guy
overhead.
right there. Away from him. I hit him 3.
Cracked one guy.
Enemy cluster strike incoming.
Cluster strike
Take cover.
incoming.
One sec. Man, I just suck at sniping so bad. Oh!
Time's up.
Guy right here.
Contact. Taking fire.
Oh, I got
Oh.
shot. I got destroyed. You can get me. I'm good.
Yeah.
He's on the other roof to the north.
I've got you.
Oh my
Taking
god.
fire.
Okay.
Loadout drop inbound.
Let's go. With me if you can. Oh my god. I'm probably dead here. Oh my god.
I killed him.
Nice. There's another one in here somewhere.
Oh
He's on the roof.
no. Yeah. Can you crawl back to me somehow?
I'm revived. I'm revived.
Oh, you're revived. Okay.
Is that in zone? Let's get to this building. Oh crap. Guys right here.
Contact.
Make sure you're crouching. Guys in here. Oh my god. You hear all these people?
Yeah.
Let's go on the roof. I'm on the roof to call
Enemy
actually.
UAV overhead.
Two guys here in the front.
I'm up top, Carl.
Okay. They're coming here.
They're both on the roof. They're both on the roof. Where's that coming from?
I'm getting pinned here.
Right on me. Oh, I cracked him.
Less than 10 to go. You can win this.
Don't worry about me. Let's go. Nice.
I have no plates. No.
I have 6. Let me die and you can grab my plates. You have a gas mask.
Okay. The gas mask is almost done.
Oh no.
Victory rests on
Nice
your
died.
shoulders. Finish the mission.
Oh no, I don't know if that was the right play.
Gas is closing.
Oh,
Get to the
You're good,
safe
you're
zone.
6 people left. Use your UAV.
True.
Request recon flyover.
Entering the AO.
None of them. They're all on ghost. I was gonna say you can go back to my body. I'm gonna. Oh, actually, it doesn't even matter. They're all ghost.
They're all
anyway.
ghosting, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a guy.
You've got gas moving in. Less than 5 to
Nice.
go. Bring home the win.
The others left.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah.
That's a win. You took
Wow!
How can you see the kill? Not too okay. Back us out.
Wait, I want to see their kills.
So surprisingly, got a dub. That was not intentional, and I only got a couple of shots off, but a win is a win. Hope you guys enjoyed some of that gameplay, and the whole point of me streaming or going on Twitch is to play with you guys. So I leave my gamertag, Activision account, and of course Twitch account down below. So add me up, we can rock a couple games, and we can chat more than tech. We can get into cars, finances, workout tips, kind of whatever you want, because there's more in the world than just tech. Hope you guys enjoyed this video though of my very first PC build. Super stoked that it has finally happened. Looking forward to upgrading this guy or just building out something new and adding all sorts of orange bits to make it my own. So if you have any suggestions, stuff that you think I'd like, of course, let me know down below, and hope you guys enjoyed my foray into PC Master Race. Peace.